Actisol's range of natural fertilizers provide the macro and micronutrients needed to ensure your plants and gardens thrive. Gardeners know that the mother of all natural fertilizer is mother hen manure. Dehydrated and granulated, multi-purpose hen manure enriches the soil to benefit all types of plants, including trees and shrubs, flowers, and vegetables. Hen manure is rich in calcium and contains no synthetic substances, binders, or fillers. And if squirrels are feasting on your bulbs, just add Actisol multi-purpose hen manure to the soil when planting, or sprinkle on top. Squirrels hate the smell, and it helps keep them away. Boost the yield of fruit and vegetable plants, prevent blossom end rot, and improve resistance to diseases with fertilizer for tomatoes and vegetables. This combination of calcium-rich hen manure, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium helps plants thrive. The high organic matter found in Actisol fertilizer for perennials and annuals encourages flower bud formation and promotes a long season of beautiful flowers. Acti's sea fertilizers improve soil fertility, which helps to produce healthy, strong, and vibrant plants. Rich nutrients and minerals from the sea found in Acti kelp meal help correct soil deficiencies, stimulate microbial life, and increase water retention. Sustainably harvested from the Bay of Fundy, Acti Fresh Seaweed Concentrate gives a boost of vitality to both indoor and outdoor plants. Packed with micronutrients and minerals from a variety of fish, hydrolyzed fish promotes beneficial bacteria and microorganisms. It's an ideal complement to a fertilization program and an outstanding compost enhancer. Sustainably sourced and approved for organic agriculture, Actisol fertilizer products ensure your plants and garden get the nutrients they need to thrive.